Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Technika brand dishwasher and it's giving you an E7 error and you're wondering, oh, what's this error and what do I need to do? So, and also if you have an E7 error, your dishwasher is not going to be working because you'll try to start a cycle and it'll try to start, and to do that it needs to be able to sense the temperature of the water and heat the water up, and it's going to notice that it's going to have an issue with the temperature sensor. Unfortunately, this for like just a homeowner, there's not a super simple fix for this. You're going to have to get in the bottom, you have a temperature sensor, and you're going to need to check the temperature sensor and the wiring that goes to it for any crossed wires or any like frayed or damaged wires. And then the temperature sensor itself might need to be replaced. To do that, you're probably just going to need to call a technical support to help you with it. But anyways, at least when you call them, you'll know what's going on, and when someone comes out, you'll already know what's going on. So that's what it is. It's a short circuit down with the temperature sensor, which could be the wiring or could be the sensor itself that needs to be replaced. Anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.